we go.
Got him this time.
Got a bonus gar. It's September 23rd. We're back to Smithland. It's been a few weeks since I made a video because I've been out of the country. And
Catfish.
I got a bite. So we're fishing with thread fin. Fishing with a bunch of thread fin shad that we just caught with the net. So I got another fish on.
I got one on too. Yeah, we're 3 for 3. 3 casts, 3 fish. My reel fell apart. Excuse me. Yeah. I need to take it off and put some.
All right, not a bad start. Water temperature 79 degrees. Air temperature's 75. No wind at all right now, but we got a big potential thunderstorm heading this way, so I don't know how long we'll be able to stay out here.
That one's 12 or 15
oh, yeah.
or so.
Yeah, that's a better one.
That's not good. That's terrible, actually.
The other possibility is it could be closing that one gate.
Yeah, we're changing something, so.
It doesn't look like it's moving as hard over there.
One. Oh yeah. I only had this one 3 feet deep. I had it suspended for a hot minute. It was like just barely under the water. I did not. I caught it on the deep one. My shallow one was the other rig,
Okay.
which I just got a bite on. I got another fish here.
Little channel.
I don't know. This one's feels bigger. So I'm going to go with you're in the right spot. That's my 5-minute report.
Something little hit one of mine up there.
Hey, I got him off. He was all tangled in it. He's about 6-7 pounds.
So you got him. Doesn't look like a netter. As you getting bigger.
I'm surprised if he's over 5. He's not over 5.
What, 4 now you caught? Another channel? Alright, let's move. You had a fish on up there. I looked
That's
at
what's
your
going
rod.
on. Okay, I forgot I had a rod there.
It's on there, I think, isn't it? There he is.
No bait on this one.
Oh, my bad.
I got it.
Maybe your biggest one today.
No, that other one that I think was really close to 15.
One on this one. This one had a bite as soon as I dropped it, and then they must have cleaned it. No. We got a school of something under the car. Oh yeah. That's a decent sized fish. At least compared to my last one. It's getting smaller.
Do I need to get a rod out of the way?
There he is. Boy, he is a nut. Swimming all in my lines. Yeah. Success quickly with him.
We're good.
Coming back. do you say? That's about 5 or 6, maybe 7.
I go with 7. I'm getting down good with 4 right now. It's not much current, but oh, there goes one.
Oh yeah, nice one. Drag puller. Skipjack.
No, 5-tack.
Let me reel that one out.
Yeah. He's straight down, so I'm trying to leave him out there till we get it in. All right.
Now we let go, unless the fish got into mine, maybe.
I got that far over.
No, he's looking at me.
I may have.
He's pulling.
Sorry about that. Maybe it might be worth reeling in whatever slack. This guy keeps getting bigger. If we have to cut your line, I'm okay with that. Untangle that or not. 25 or more. 25 maybe.
Picture worthy.
21.
I got it. Let's say he's
Big one.
a bigger one. Can you lift him up?
All right. Look how fat that mouth is.
Yeah.
He's an older one.
I'd say he's
30.
30-ish, upper 20s, low 30s.
You gotta hold it.
Yeah. 27.
Okay.
Oh, you got a fish on.
Oh yeah.
He was on.
Let's see. He's on, or unless it's the bottom. He feels like a fish. As we'll get the net ready.
Yeah, coming up.
I'll get over here.
Feel pretty good.
No, he's not small, but he's maybe 10, maybe more, I don't know. It's not big. What's in between big and small? 15? He's 20.
20, yeah.
All right.
20, exactly.
All right. You're welcome to release it.
I will. Nice fish. Oh, I got a big one.
Oh yeah, nice.
Drag was feeling.
All right.
Even though my drag's very loose. Little loose. He definitely took some drag. Still feeling drag.
Good.
I'd say it's at least 15. That would be straight down. Is the camera working yet?
Just under it, I'd say. That on this guy.
All right, 30, 13 pound blue. Certainly my biggest one today. We're going to call it. Got lucky and the rain skirted north of us. Caught, I'm guessing 14 or 15 catfish. Our biggest was 27 and a couple channel cats in there with them. We had a lot of tons of bait, so all in all, pretty good afternoon considering what we were looking at when we left.